Once you have your shots imported into Final Cut, you're going to edit your first shot, your establishing shot, and you're going to overlap them. So here is my clip where I'm standing on the right. Here is my clip when I'm standing on the left. And you're going to have to time them out so that the conversation is happening at the right time. And one good thing to do is use these waveforms. So I know that this waveform right here is me saying, "How are you, Mr. Wilson?"
Hey, Mr. Wilson, how are you today?
And this is the waveform is me saying, "Oh, it's you. What do you want?"
Oh, it's you. What do you want?
So one of the things you can do is you can use these waveforms. Once you've identified what those waveforms are, you can use them to kind of line things up. Now, the only thing that's going to show is what's on top, and you can build lots of layers. Like over here I've got lots of layers of things, but for this you're just going to need these two layers, you on one side, you on the other. And once you've got it timed out, you're going to click on the clip you want to crop, and I'm going to do it to my top shot. You're going to come here and you're going to click on crop. Now you're going to click on, in this case, the right over here, because I'm going to crop it this way. And sometimes it's hard to grab on that. This is this blue thing here. One of the things you can do is if you go here and make it smaller, 25% or 12%, it makes it easier to grab that blue handle on the side that you need to drag. So I'm going to bring my crop right there, because remember, again, that line of the lockers is where I want my split screen. And when you have like a line or something in your background that you can use to kind of mask the fact that you're have a split screen, you probably want to do that, because you can kind of see that there's a little bit of a difference there. But if you use that, I'll go to fit again so it looks bigger. You can use that to kind of mask it. If it was in the middle of the locker, it wouldn't look nearly as good. So that's how you do a split screen.
Hey, Mr. Wilson, how are you today? Oh, it's you. What do you want?
So that's the basics of how to do a split screen.